Hi, my name is David.
Hello. My name is Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma.
Nice to meet you too, David.
Where are you from?
I'm from India. What about you?
I'm from Japan.
That's a beautiful country.
What do you do?
I'm a software engineer.
That's interesting.
Thank you. What do you do?
I'm a college student.
What are you studying?
I'm studying computer science.
That sounds exciting.
How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
What are your hobbies?
I enjoy reading books and traveling.
I like playing badminton and listening to music.
Those are great hobbies.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one younger brother.
What do you like to do on weekends?
I usually spend time with my family.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, especially comedy movies.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza and pasta.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak English, French, and Hindi.
That's wonderful.
It helps me communicate with more people.
It was really nice meeting you.
It was nice meeting you too.
Let's keep in touch.
Sure. Have a wonderful day.